Friends, every year thousands of scientific studies are published across the world. Psychology is a huge part of that research. But let's be honest, reading research papers is hard, while using psychology in daily life is surprisingly easy. So in today's video, I'm sharing 12 powerful psychological facts that can quietly change the way you think, talk, and act. After knowing these, you might not see people the same way again. 1. Call people by their name. Psychologists say one thing is universally loved: our own name. When someone remembers and uses your name, you instantly feel respected and valued. Think about it. When someone forgets your name, it hurts a little, right? So during conversations, gently using the other person's name makes them feel important and comfortable around you. 2. The power of silence. Let's say you're talking to someone named Rohan, and the conversation suddenly slows down. Instead of panicking, just ask him a simple question, and then stay silent. Maintain eye contact. That silence will push Rohan to keep talking. Studies show silence makes people uncomfortable, so they often reveal more just to fill the gap. Silence isn't awkward, it's powerful. 3. Singing reduces anxiety. Imagine Ananya driving to her office in Mumbai for an important presentation. Her heart is racing. What should she do? Psychology says, sing. When you sing, your brain releases endorphins and oxytocin. Stress hormones drop, heart rate slows, and confidence rises. It may feel strange, but it works fast. 4. The snack effect. You're at lunch with a colleague, Kunal, and the discussion is getting heated. What's the easiest way to calm things down? Start eating. Eating signals safety to the brain. Offer Kunal a biscuit or a chocolate. Sounds simple, but it reduces aggression and tension instantly. 5. Music changes how you see the world. A study in 2011 showed something fascinating. People listening to sad music identified more sad faces. Happy music? More happy faces. This is called perceptual expectation. Your ears influence your eyes. That's why energetic music boosts workouts and soft music improves focus. 6. Playing dumb works. You meet Arjun, who is obsessed with bikes. Even if you know a lot, act curious instead of showing off. Ask him questions. Let him explain. People love those who make them feel smart. As the Dalai Lama said, when you speak, you repeat what you know. When you listen, you learn something new. 7. The Dunning-Kruger effect. Highly intelligent people often underestimate themselves. Average thinkers do the opposite. Ever seen a friend say, "Bro, exam was terrible," and then score the highest? That's because smart people are never satisfied. They always believe they can do better. Confidence doesn't always mean competence. 8. Habit formation. Truth. Forget the 21-day myth. Research shows it takes around 66 days to build a habit. First, 22 days, uncomfortable. Next 22 days, almost quitting. Last 22 days, momentum builds. If you survive the struggle, the habit becomes part of you. 9. Multitasking is a lie. Your brain can focus on only one thing at a time. Watching TV while reading, your focus is switching rapidly, not multitasking. Walking and talking works because those actions are automatic. Deep focus tasks can't run together. 10. Give a choice instead of telling a child, "Go study." Say, "Do you want to study science first or maths?" The choice creates control. Restaurants use this trick too. You think you chose, but the options were already decided. 11. The power of sunlight. After sitting indoors all day, step outside, and your mood lifts instantly. Sunlight boosts vitamin D, which stabilizes mood and reduces depression. Just 10 minutes of morning sunlight can make a huge difference. Countries with less sunlight show higher depression rates. 12. Mirror body language. When you subtly match someone's posture, tone, or favorite words, trust builds faster. This is called the chameleon effect. People feel connected to those who feel similar to them, even subconsciously. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.